important checklist of navigation in ships operations. Navigation is a critical aspect of ship operations, and following a checklist can help ensure safe and efficient navigation. Here are some important items that may be included in a navigation checklist of ships. Voyage planning. Review, update voyage plan based on the latest weather forecast and navigation information. Ensure the ability of up-to-date charts, publications, and navigations equipment. Verify the accuracy and calibration of navigation instruments, including GPS, radar, and depth sounders. Chart work and position fixing. Plot the ship's positions regularly on a paper charts. Confirm position using celestial navigation if applicable. Cross-check positions obtained from various sources of ensure accuracy. Safe speed and course. Adjust speed and course as necessary to maintain safe navigation, especially in adverse weather or high traffic areas. Monitor and comply with speed limits in designated areas. Collision avoidance. Maintain a proper lookout by visual and radar means. Use radar to detect and track other vessels in the vicinity. Maintain a safe distance from other vessels and navigation to avoid collisions. Aids to navigation. Identify and confirm the position of buoys, lights, and other aids to navigation. Cross-check the ship's position with no navigational marks and landmarks. Navigational warnings. Monitor and act upon navigational warnings and notice the mariners. Be aware of any temporary or permanent changes to navigational routers or hazards. Weather and sea condition. Continuously monitor weather conditions and sea stable. Adjust course and speed in response to changing conditions to ensure the safety and comfort of the vessel. Traffic. Adhere to established traffic lanes and separation schemes. Maintain awareness of traffic and rules and regulations in congested areas. Maneuvering and pilotage. Prepare for pilotage and communicate effectively with pilots. Execute pilotage plans safely and accordingly to established procedures. Emergency procedures. Review and understand emergency procedures related to navigation. Conduct regular drills to ensure the crew is prepared to respond to emergencies. Log keeping. Maintain accurate navigation logs, including position, course, speed, and weather observations. Record any deviations from the planned voyage. Communication. Maintain clear communication with the bridge team, crew, and other vessels as necessary. Use standards communication procedures and VHF radio etiquette. Navigational lights and signals. Ensure that navigation lights are functioning correctly, especially during periods of reduced visibility. Display appropriate lights and signals as required by the international regulation for preventing collisions at sea, coal rigs, adverse weather procedure. Have a plan in a place for navigating in heavy weather conditions, including securing lost equipment and ballasting the ship appropriately. Man overboard procedure. Review and understand man overboard procedure, including launching life buoys and initiating search and rescue efforts. Record keeping. Keep a record of all navigation related activities, observations, and incidents. It's important to note that the specific checklist items may vary depending on the type of size of the vessel as well as nature of the voyage and the navigational challenges it presents. The checklist should be tolerated to the ship's requirements and should be regularly reviewed and updated to reflect current best practice and regulations.